I was gonna make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Hi guys, it's us. We're back, and it's time to make some breakfast brownies. So, what's the difference between a regular brownie and a breakfast brownie?
The fact that you're not allowed to eat regular brownies at breakfast.
Oh, well, in our house, we always do. We have
Exactly.
chocolate cake and brownies for breakfast every day.
Every day.
Tell.
No, can't tell.
No,
can't
You
tell.
do something magical. I don't know. She's really a witch because I can't get rid of this. But anyway, what we're going to do is add some coffee into the mix.
I thought it had a little thingy.
Did it have a little thingy?
It doesn't have a little.
Is there a scissor over there?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. You are just. Francis has
magical.
everything. You are always.
Magical. Crafting is, this is witchcrafting, but I do crafting all the time. I always think that's a little magical. If you can make something, I think that's magical.
It is magical.
So we're going to have a fudge brownie.
My favorite.
Your favorite. And then we're going to put in an egg.
One egg.
My favorite. Can I have the little bag, please? The little empty bag. The little empty
Is this
bag.
the garbage bag?
Yes, this is the garbage bag because I like to do this. I love my one-handed egg cracking
Oh,
thing.
I cannot do that.
And I just screwed that up. See? Yeah,
There you go. Mom never taught me that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You were the favorite.
And then we put in, are you reading the instructions?
No,
'Cause I don't
actually
know.
not. Let's see.
Half a cup of vegetable oil.
Half a cup of vegetable.
One egg, so it's a half cup.
And 2 tablespoons of water.
That's a lot of vegetable. Half a cup?
Half a cup.
Holy crap. Look at that.
Well, don't complain. It's boxed,
It's boxed.
It's
Okay.
easy.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't really have to have special skills.
I know.
Right?
I know.
Because I have none.
Oh, really?
Well, some.
You have Jillian's special skills. We all know that.
Yeah.
And then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of water. So here's some water, and it's in this coffee mug. It's cappuccino because it's hot. And why is it hot? You will see.
No idea.
Because these are 2 tablespoons right there, right? But then I'm going to put in there, I'm going to use that water for something else.
What are you putting in there?
Coffee.
Whoa.
Lots of coffee. Look at this.
No way.
Just dump it in there.
Where'd you get this recipe?
I made it up because I wanted there to be breakfast brownies, and I figure, if you're gonna have a brownie for breakfast, then might as well have caffeine.
Because you're Francis.
Yes, because
Should I be surprised?
No.
No.
You should be glad there's no rum in it or something,
Now there's an idea. Rum brownies for breakfast.
Rum brownies for breakfast. So anyway, make it really thick. Look at this.
Wow.
If you have espresso, if you have Cuban coffee, just pour it.
Wow.
Just use the Cuban coffee. But I thought this would be easier.
That's
But see
gonna
how
be.
thick this is? I'm making a coffee syrup.
Ooh.
Literally. And this is just instant coffee from the dollar. I'm making this thick.
I've never done that
This is
before.
gonna
Made
wake
thick
you
coffee. Just don't eat it. Don't drink
Yeah.
it. Put it in your brownies,
Look
please.
at that. Look at that. It's like mud. It's delicious. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
Okay. This is amazing. These should taste
Smells
incredible.
really good.
It's
Smells awesomely good.
mocha coffee brownies. You have any walnuts? No.
No. You gotta lick that, but that's not
Don't
good.
do that.
Don't do that. Not in a
do-
cooking show.
No.
That's disgusting.
That's disgusting.
Who would do that?
You.
Of course. All right, you
You're
ready?
crazy.
And then I just line the pan. Just
Crazy.
A little, I think this is 9 inch.
Crazy.
I am crazy.
Crazy.
Well, it runs in the family.
Yes, we know this.
I know. So all you're gonna do is just
Okay.
pop it into your 9x9 or 8x8 or whatever loaf pan, whatever.
Whatever to make your brownies.
I don't know, cupcake brownies. Can you make cupcake brownies?
Why not?
I should try
Why
that.
not?
I'm going to make cupcake
Well,
brownies.
what's the difference between brownies, cake, cupcakes? I think it's the density.
It's the density.
Am I wrong? Am I right?
It's like the difference between your boyfriends and my boyfriends. The density. Put on chunk. Okay.
All right.
So you're gonna bake this to the
Ba-dum-bum.
instructions. So if you'd like to pass this over, pass the brownies on the left hand side.
Be right back.
Pass the brownies on the left. Na, 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 na. She's handling it, and then just pass me the plate of brownies on the beautiful orange plate. Look at this
Boom!
beautiful
Magic.
orange plate.
They're done.
They're done. But are they really? No, they're not.
They're never
because
done.
I am me, and I'm going to make it really special. So here's some milk. I have some cream. This is actual like pumpkin flavored cream because this is coffee brownies. And guess what I'm gonna put in it? That's right.
Wait, didn't we have pumpkin and something? Oh, in the scrub.
Yes, we had a little bit of pumpkin spice.
There's
in
a
this
pumpkin theme happening here.
Well, it's Halloween.
Oh.
So put a little bit of coffee. You want to? Yeah, there's some pumpkin spice right there. You want to pass me the pumpkin spice?
Oh.
I'll put that in here.
See that?
Put
I'm
that
paying
in here.
attention.
And we're gonna need the. All right, put a little bit of that.
Need what?
The powdered sugar.
Oh. There you go.
Powdered sugar. And this is, like I said, pumpkin spice cream, pumpkin spice, a little bit of coffee.
Oh, I see.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
All right, now we're gonna need a lot of this.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't want it to drop.
Yeah, I'm the only one allowed to break things in here.
Yeah.
You never break things.
No, I
Jet.
don't.
You're very delicate. I'm very brutish.
You know, we each have
Here,
our
here,
skills
you
and
mix.
our talents.
I know.
You've got to realize we can't be each other.
I know.
What am I doing?
Keep mixing. Ready? Wait, I'm gonna put some more. Okay. I'm gonna thicken this up. I put too much stuff in there.
We're unique in our unique ways.
Powdered
Right?
sugar. Yeah, it's powdered sugar. I just want to make sure because that would really not be good if it was flour
No,
or something.
that would be gross.
That would be
Or
gross.
something.
Ready? There you go. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good.
Well, what are we doing with this?
Okay, so this is now.
Okay, there.
So this is now going to be a lovely little glaze.
A glaze. Oh,
a
my
pumpkin
goodness.
coffee glaze for your pumpkin coffee, your
That's
pumpkin
beautiful.
donut, or your coffee donut, whatever.
Brownie.
Brownie.
But you could put it on a donut.
You can put it on a donut.
You could put it in your
You can put it
coffee.
in cake. You can put it in your drink.
Your drink.
I don't know.
Ooh, rum.
I didn't start with the margaritas, people. I literally did not start with the margaritas.
That would be good with rum, though. Seriously.
Right? But doesn't it? Smell that. It's like fall in a cup. And you just let the glaze like dry and get all.
It smells like fall.
It smells like fall on a brownie. And that's it, guys. That's it. And then you know what this is absolutely delicious on?
What?
Ice cream.
Oh, Lord. You need to bottle that up and
Vanilla
sell it.
ice cream or butterscotch. And
Yeah. It's a pumpkin spice topping for ice cream.
This is wicked. This is wicked witchcraft we're doing right here, people. So that's it. This is your beautiful little brownies for any night.
Yay.
Maybe a night when you're watching Practical Magic, you can have your magical. Well, not magical brownies. We don't want to say that.
No.
These are breakfast
Can
brownies.
you take a bite?
Okay. Yeah, if you want to take a bite.
Yes, I do, please.
Okay. Ooh, look at her. She's going right into it. It's really fudgy. Yeah? Good? Okay, good. I'm glad. You like the dressing on top is good? Okay.
Really good. The topping's good.
Very good.
Good job, sis.
Thank you so much. I try, even though I mess things up every so often, but sometimes I get it right.
Because you're human. You know?
Yeah,
You're
I know.
human.
I gotta practice on my witchery. It's just, I get so busy.
We'll practice together.
I'm always doing like love spells for all the neighbors and stuff like that.
Stop that.
I know.
Stop.
I
Just
know.
no.
I'm so meddling. So
Yeah.
meddling. I just figure if they're happier, they won't pick us on
This
us
is true.
as much.
This
so.
is true.
Anyway, so we'll be right back and again try these beautiful breakfast brownies for you.
I'm gonna
next
lick my
time.
finger.
Yeah, great way to start Halloween too.
Delicious.